We are pleased to show you the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.